Hi, Shasha from Ace Vacuums. I am going to show you how to set up your Sebo Airbelt K3 like a pro. How do I connect the hose and wand to my Sebo K3? It's a simple click and lock system. Align the hose with the front port and push until it clicks. Connect the telescoping wand to the ET-1 power head, then snap the handle into the top of the wand. You'll hear a distinct click at every connection point. Where is the suction control located? One of the best features of the K3 is the handle-mounted slider. You can adjust the suction from minimum, for curtains or delicate rugs, to maximum, for deep carpet cleaning, without ever bending over. What do the lights on the power head mean? The Sebo ET-1 power head has a smart indicator. A green light means you're good to go. If it turns red, it usually means your brush height is too low-high or the brush roll is jammed. Is the cord rewind automatic? Yes. Just tap the rewind button on the canister with your foot, and the cord retracts smoothly into the Airbelt bumper. Why should I buy my Sebo K3 from an authorized dealer like Ace Vacuums? Peace of mind. When you buy from an authorized Sebo dealer, Ace Vacuums, you aren't just getting a box, you're getting a full factory warranty, guaranteed genuine German parts, and expert support for the life of your machine. Unlike big box stores or random online sellers, we are a factory-authorized service center. If you ever have an issue, you bring it back to us, and we fix it right here on site. Plus, you can test drive every model on our showroom floor before you buy.